What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna give you Bitcoin's update and what will be the next possible price action for Bitcoin and the targets in the coming days and weeks. And you know, if you have been following me on this channel or if you have been following me on Twitter, you know that I am one of the few who called out for 20,000 Bitcoin when everyone was calling out for $10,000 target. Here's the tweet. January 15, when Bitcoin was trading at around $16,000. I'm going against the grain. In my own opinion, Bitcoin will hit 20,000 first rather than $10,000. Right now, at the time recording, Bitcoin is trading at around $23,000. And if you are a member of our VIP Discord, you know that as early as December 8th, my target for Bitcoin was already at $25,000, guys. Here's the even previously, the target was already at around $24,300. So here is the detailed analysis posted December 8th, 2022, when Bitcoin was trading at around $16,800, and this was the time that I have entered my long position for Bitcoin. This was the entry price here, 16,485. Right now sitting at 3,800% using 125x leverage. And right now, here's the update, guys. Let me just show you what is happening inside our VIP Discord and what should you expect when you join the VIP Discord. So here we have different channels for cryptos and Bitcoin Weekly. We have Bitcoin. We have also Wall Street Bets, Forex, and stocks here. And we had a lot of beautiful trades inside the Forex channel. A little bit slow. Discord is a little bit slow right now. But let's go back to the Bitcoin weekly time frame. As early as December 8th, I was already predicting Bitcoin to possibly hit $25,000 as long as we hold the support trend line. There is a higher chance that we would break out with a possible target of up to $25,000. But if the price breaks down below the support trend line, the next target will be the support and OB level, which is around $10,500 up to $10,800. So this was the chart, guys, falling wedge pattern with a $25,000 target. And all of the updates here that I have been posting since December 8th is all pointing towards $25,000, $20,000 Bitcoin. So here, another post, January 10. Let me show you first the previous post so you understand where the trades are coming from and what will be the next possible price action for Bitcoin now that we have hit the ideal breakout target. So here's the previous post, guys. Let me explain it to you. Don't rush on your trade. You need to understand why Bitcoin have hit 23,000 or 24,000 at the time of recording. It's because of this previous patterns and of course divergence. We had bullish divergence forming on Bitcoin in the weekly time frame. If you have been following me on this channel or if you have been following me on Twitter, I kept on posting about the bullish divergence, about the possible target of $20,000, possible target of $25,000. And here in our VIP Discord, I have shared my detailed analysis. January 10, 2023, just in case Bitcoin breaks the zone resistance and flips it into a support, breakout target will be $20,000. So here's the support trend line, guys. All right, and here's the zone support. Most of my posts here are all pointing really bullish compared to other accounts, or if you have been following other Twitter accounts there, mostly are pointing towards $10,000. But I am one of the few who have called out this could be the possible start of this rally. All right, so that was 20,000 target right there. And another one here the price is already breaking this zone resistance, guys. Watch out for possible area of rejection, 21,500 premium zone, level up to $24,500. Weekly chart, we have hit the weekly time frame target, which is 20,000 level. All right, so here's another update, January 18, 2023. The likely target remains at 22,000. In my own opinion, of the falling wedge pattern, will hit the middle target and retest the key level support, the orange zone. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 23,000. Here's another update, January 21. Bitcoin weekly time frame oscillator still has a plenty of room before the overbought area. Weekly candle closes above R1 or resistance 1. Bitcoin will likely hit 25,000 level. Closing below R1 will retest, possible retest of S1 up to 20,000 level. Here's the chart, guys, and here's the latest update right now. We have this 200-day moving average acting as a resistance. And if you have been following me, I have posted my result here, guys. This was my long entry point for Bitcoin at 16,485. And right now, I have asked crypto Twitter, should I close my Bitcoin long or should I continue to hold? Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think, guys? Should I continue to hold my long position from 16,000? So some of the comments here are saying set stop loss into profit. So I should set my stop loss a little bit below my entry point to secure some profit. So set your stop loss in profit, maybe around 22,300 up to 22,800. I think it will go up to 24,300 up to 25,000. And if we can break about 25,000 until the next moon phase, we may see 30,000 before it slows down and drops again. So right now, let me show you the chart update, guys. Here's my Bitcoin weekly. Let me hide all the indicators first so you can see it clearly. So here, let me hide this one. All right, so this was the Bitcoin's weekly time frame. This was the premium zone. This was the ideal breakout target. We have seen the price or the weekly candle close above 20,000. That was a bullish, another bullish signal right there, closing above the previous resistance. That's why we have seen the price push up even higher. And right now, this was my ideal breakout target at around 24,200 level. And this is the top of the falling wedge pattern. And right now, we have this 200-day moving average acting as resistance. And if you have been following me, you know that 200-day moving average is the strongest moving average, or it can act as a support or as a resistance for Bitcoin. Right now, this is acting as a resistance. And of course, we have some moving averages here waiting as a resistance. And let me show you the daily time frame, by the way. So here, usually right now, the price of Bitcoin is in the premium level in the daily time frame, guys. And this is near our breakout target. We have our premium zone and we have our order blocks here waiting. And I want you to take note of this as well, because Bitcoin could actually wick and just to trap the FOMO newbies who will FOMO into this kind of pump. And we are overextended right now. This is the 200-day moving average. This is the 100-day moving average. And this is about to flip bullish, guys. But this is already overextended. If you check the previous chart and if you check the previous price action, usually the 200-day moving average act as a very good support for Bitcoin and all of this moving averages here, especially the 100-day moving average. But right now, this is overextended. Eventually, this is going to retest the 100-day moving average and eventually retest this dynamic reactor level. But if you're buying for long term, it is likely Bitcoin will likely revisit this dynamic reactor. And I want you to know as well that this dynamic reactor moves higher as time goes by. So this moves closer to the price, and eventually the price and this dynamic reactor will meet at some point, and that is going to be the deciding moment if Bitcoin's price will be able to hold it as a support or break down below. So for now, this is overextended. We have our 100-day moving average and 200-day moving average sitting at around 20,800 level, and this is also in confluence with my S1 new key support level for Bitcoin. So if you're trading futures or if you're trading on spot, it is likely that Bitcoin's price will eventually revisit this dynamic reactor or this support level here. So first, this will be the first target, but eventually the price will revisit or touch this dynamic reactor. Right now, this is sitting at around $18,000. So it's not the time to FOMO at current levels, but Bitcoin could actually possibly wick up to this level and then retest this support. But eventually, the price is going to retest this 100-day moving average. Let me show you the previous price action here for Bitcoin. So this pink line, should I hide? Let me hide other EMAs here. So all right, so we have the 200-day and 100-day moving average. So here's the 2021 rally, guys. From 2020 to 2021 rally. This 100-day moving average acted as a very good support for Bitcoin. Look at this. Bitcoin's price pumping, overextended, then revisit to this 100-day moving average, but eventually revisited this dynamic reactor and be able to bounce as a support. But overall, this 100-day moving average has been a very good support. Look at that. 100-day moving average has been a very overextended right here, then revisit the 100-day moving average, and a little bit of noise to the downside, but eventually this is the where the price actually hold during the previous bull market. So overextended, revisit the 100-day moving average. Overextended, revisit or touches the 100-day moving average. Little bit of noise to the downside, but eventually this is the this is where you short or check Bitcoin's price if it's going to hold or if it's going to bounce from this level. So this drop a little bit to the downside, revisit this dynamic reactor as a support, then eventually bounce back up. And right now here, as what you can see, the price dropped down below the dynamic reactor. This is the time that this dynamic reactor turns red and act as a resistance. Look at this. We got this 100-day moving average and dynamic reactor acting as resistance right now because the price dropped down below, and this will act as a resistance right now. So price action here, drop down below 100-day moving average, touches 100-day, rejected, a little bit of noise to the upside, rejected to the downside here, and another. This one, the dynamic reactor acting as resistance, price touches dynamic reactor, rejected. And then we have this 100-day moving average acting as a support, and then we have seen another pump right there. So 100-day moving average acting as resistance, rejected, 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 rejected. So this has been a very good indicator for trading Bitcoin, especially in the daily time frame. So in my own opinion, at current level, we could see a little bit of pump, maybe up to 24,000 to 25,000, or if there will be manipulation in the market, then we would see a possible move like this to the upside up to this 26,500 level. But eventually this is going to revisit the 100-day to 200-day moving average, guys. All right, so that's it for Bitcoin at current levels. This is super high risk to buy, especially if you're trading spot or if you want to FOMO into this pump. This is the price of Bitcoin will likely revisit the 100-day moving average to 200-day moving average. If you're patient enough to wait, then Bitcoin will likely revisit this dynamic reactor level here at around 18,000, sitting at around 18,800 at the time recording, but this moves higher at times as the time goes by. All right, so this will eventually move up and the price will eventually meet and revisit this dynamic reactor. So that's it for now, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share this video, hit that thumbs up button, click that notification bell. Let me know in the comment section what chart would you like me to check on my next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.